Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Adobe Photoshop error MSVCP140.dll and VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search for Visual C++ download, and you will be get the Microsoft official site. Click on the first link, scroll down, just need to select the link x86 and x64. After getting download both, you just need to install it one by one. Click on the 64 and install it. If you have install option, then you just need to select the install option guys. If you have a repair option, then you just need to select the repair. Select yes. After getting done, you just need to install the x86. You just need to do the same for this as well. Just select close and select the restart option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can open the Photoshop without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.